The northern African countries are basically known for oil resources. However, Libya is an exception, which is known for its lively milk industry and dairy industry. So it is believed that Libya at Mistra itself produces nearly 70,000 liters of milk on a daily basis. Due to the recent foot and mouth disease outbreak, this reduction has been seen, and there has been production of only 20,000 liters a day. Half of the cattle have actually been have died because of this outbreak. Now this outbreak is a really fatal outbreak. In 2011, the dictatorship of Gaddafi ended, and since then there has been a constant rival between the government that would be established and the localite side, that this is one of the reasons that proper governance has not come into light, and the vaccinations for the cattle haven't been received. So foot and mouth disease is not just one of the disease that has affected the cattle there, but the lumpy skin disease is another disease which has badly affected, and as a result the export of the cow leather hides which has been there, or the cow hides which is there, has declined significantly because people are not interested to get the cow hides from Libya. So Libya's economy has been worsened because of these outbreaks in the cattle, and definitely this has crushed the economy in the existing region, which is already at the verge of its we could say demise, right? So very important topic which has been into news. These diseases have off and on been affecting the cattle, and we have seen that the vaccinations and the proper medications for these have been really effective in curbing the diseases and its spread. We'll be covering many such important videos which could be cited as case studies in your optional answer writing. For example, this is one of the very important case studies that you can cite in your optional animal husbandry answer writing. So stay tuned for many such important updates and developments. Thanks for joining in today.